When you set off on a camping trip, you're leaving the majority of your creature comforts at home to be one with nature and experience all the wild has to offer. But that doesn't mean your camping has to be a rough experience. There are plenty of clever camping gadgets that make living out of a backpack and sleeping under the stars a little more comfortable. In this video, I will be showing you some camping gadgets that will make your camping much more comfortable. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel. The OAKVUE camping shovel is a multifunctional tool designed for people who love outdoor adventures. Moving with a heavy shovel will make you tired and uncomfortable. But with this lightweight shovel, which is only 2.5 pounds, you can easily carry it with you on your camping. This shovel is constructed with 3CR13 stainless steel. That is durable and can withstand harsh conditions. It has an adjustable handle length from 17.4 to 35.8 inches. This compact shovel head has an adjustable angle and can be used as a hook, hoe, or shovel. OAKVUE survival shovel includes camping tools such as an axe, hex spanners, saw, multifunctional knife, window breaker, screwdriver, fire starter, whistle, and the actual foldable shovel for camping. This ultimate military shovel comes with a practical tactical military waste pack. You can put this collapsible shovel and all the survival tools in this bag, and it will make your adventure safer and easier. Sitting on the grass or on the blanket during camping can sometimes cause tiredness and back pains. That is why having a camping chair when going on your next camping is a great idea. With classic lines and modern touches, the Sports Chair by ONIVA is a smart camping chair made of durable polyester canvas on a folding and lightweight aluminum frame. Features abound with the padded seat and armrests, a fold-out side table, a hanging armrest caddy for holding books and magazines, 2 insulated beverage pockets, and a variety of additional pockets. Grab and go with the under-seat carrying handles or use the adjustable detachable shoulder strap for longer treks. Ideal for camping, picnicking, concerts, or watching your favorite sport comfortably from the sidelines.
Introducing the Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Portable, rechargeable batteries for powering your adventures and keeping you safe in emergencies. The Titan and Titan XL are silent and eco-friendly power solutions for use in any situation where you might need power. The more compact Titan features a battery equipped with 224 watt-hours of power, while the Titan XL has double the capacity with its 500 watt-hour battery. Both models are easily capable of powering your mobile devices, CPAPs, computers, and small appliances, so you can be prepared for the unexpected, whether you're at home or on the road. The Titan and Titan XL both feature a 12-volt car port, a USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet for powering your devices. You can recharge your Titan using USB-C or with the included wall adapter. And you can recharge anywhere from your home to your car and even outdoors with a solar panel. Both models are constructed with a durable aluminum body with rubberized corners for extra protection. They have a handling strap for easy portability, and the larger Titan XL can be worn over the shoulder with a shoulder strap. The Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Compact, portable, and powerful, giving you power where you need it most.
Moving a heavy sleeping mat every time you go camping can be very exhausting. With the POWERLIX Sleeping Pad, you don't need to worry about room in your backpack, and best of all, you won't have any backaches due to heavy weight. It's super compact, light, and conveniently portable. Take control of your sleep with your POWERLIX Sleeping Pad. No more worrying about lack of sleep after camping on chilly, rocky, or rough terrain. This mat keeps you fresh at all times. The POWERLIX bedroll will give you static comfort and support for the best night's sleep during all of your outdoor adventures. Outdoor travel is easy with the Neo Air mattress, as it's extremely versatile. It's fast and easy to inflate with the inflating bag, and you don't need to pump it by mouth. You can use the inflating bag as a pillow, waterproof carry bag or vacuum laundry bag to carry all parts of the product. It has unique hexagon design that hits all of your pressure points, delivering superior support and comfort with a foam-like feeling. It also has thermal insulation to keep your body warm from the cold ground. With the Ivation EZ-Bed, you get all the comfort of a regular guest bed in a design that folds into a compact package that travels effortlessly and stores almost anywhere. It is easy to set up in minutes with almost no work required, then folds away just as easily. The durable construction ensures continuous comfort for years to come. EZ-Bed built-in pump automatically inflates and deflates air in less than 4 minutes. It features auto shut-off options to reach a desired comfort level with ease. Its self-deploying frame design allows you to simply unzip case, plug into wall, turn on, and walk away for easy setup. A great night's sleep is practically ensured with the durable mattress top and 40 circular coils chamber. It provides a soft and comfortable sleep surface, ensuring your comfort throughout your camping nights. Its heavy-duty PVC resists punctures and prevents air leakage. Durable polyester mattress top with 40 circular coils provides a soft and comfortable sleep surface that also keeps your sheets in place.
Still looking for a tent for camping? OutdoorMaster is here for you. 3 steps to put up your tent in minutes. Firstly, unpack your tent and lay it on the ground. Don't forget to unfold the stand on the corners and lock them. Next, pull the rope on the top, meanwhile pushing the stand, so that you will be able to put up the tent in 3 seconds. The last step is to fix your tent with stakes, which are included in the package. OutdoorMaster tent is designed to be super stable. You can enjoy your camping time even in windy days. If you want to enjoy the sunshine, the tent has big skylights on 3 sides. The skylights are flexible, you can put them up whenever you want. We pay attention to every detail, and each is done with exquisite workmanship. The disassembly is quick and simple, convenient to pack and carry. Pack your OutdoorMaster tent and enjoy camping.
This portable telescopic stool is made of high-strength nylon and PA66 material. Compared to previous versions, the body consists of 120 locks, support takes on fish scale design, the overall appearance is nicer, the structure is more stable, and the load capacity is larger, which can reach 400 pounds. This telescopic stool has a built-in 4400 mAh mobile charger, which means your mobile devices will remain charged while camping. This stool is only 2.5 pounds with diameter of 10.2 inches. The adjustable strap makes it very easy to carry in your hand or hang on your shoulder. You can hold the 2 buckles to stretch them, making them easy to open and close. Hesanzol's telescopic stool adjustment ranges from 2.5 inch to 17.7 inch. Its 12 positions can be chosen according to your usage scenario. This adjustability makes it suitable for adults and children.
Hi, I'm Brent with Rumpl. This is our down puffy blanket, our most packable, lightweight, and premium puffy. Stuffed with ethically sourced 600 fill water repellent duck down, it's also our warmest puffy blanket, perfect for your next lightweight adventure. We've stuffed all that down into a durable 20D nylon ripstop shell, treated with a 9010 DWR coating that repels water, debris, and stains, so you can spend a few days in the backcountry without worrying about developing that telltale down funk. If it does end up needing a washing, the Down Puffy is completely machine washable on a delicate setting. The Down Puffy blanket is equipped with purpose-built features like paracord corner loops for staking into the ground or integrating with a hammock, making it a perfect mid-trail picnic blanket or extra warm underquilt. The Down Puffy packs down into an extra small footprint with a roll-top stuff sack. It's specifically designed for when saving weight or pack size is a priority, so you can always find room for it in your pack or carry-on.
BougeRV 12 volts portable refrigerator can serve you and your family enough food up to a week while camping. With temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use it as a freezer or refrigerator. With compressor refrigeration technology, this 12 volts car freezer could achieve 16 minutes fast cooling from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 minutes from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your food fresh. No ice needed, no food spoiled, money and space saving. With eco-energy saving mode, this 42-quart car fridge operating power is less than 45 watts. Even running on max mode, it consumes far less than 1 kWh per day for its intelligent cycle work. You can run this car fridge with 12 or 24 volts DC power on various vehicles, such as SUV, truck, RV, camper, Jeep, van, boat, etc. The RV fridge freezer is equipped with a 3-level battery monitor to prevent the fridge from draining your vehicle's battery.